Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Timothy Keenan. Today I'd like to show you the best way to heal persistent locked finger yourself. Hold the affected finger with your good hand, firmly press your thumb just below the joint line and slowly slide it across the joint. Repeat this 15 times, moving from side to side, concentrating your efforts on the most painful region and adding pressure as the tissues warm up. Do this 3 times a day. This is the joint capsule. If it hurts yet feels good at the same time, you're doing the right thing. It's that simple. Try it for a week. If you feel improvement, continue treating yourself at the same intensity until you're perfectly healed. If your finger opens up easier, it's proof that you're healing and you should congratulate yourself. If you treat yourself as I've described, you should be completely healed in 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the severity of your condition. When you start, it's normal to have sensitive skin for 3 to 4 days as your body eliminates stored up toxins. Never apply heat, including hot baths, since heat increases inflammation. In order to accelerate healing, reduce the intensity of activities involving squeezing of the hand. Once healed, if ever you feel the pain coming back, treat it immediately before it gets worse. Finally, in an effort to clear up the confusion surrounding the real cause of locked finger, if you heal yourself using my method, it's scientific proof that your locked finger was caused exclusively by contracted soft tissues, since that's all my method corrects. This means that even if you can see osteoarthritis, what most people call arthritis, calcium deposits, torn tendons or muscles, bursitis, fibromyalgia, misaligned vertebrae, subluxations, pinched nerves, or degenerated, slipped, thinned, bulging, or herniated discs on your X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs, they have absolutely nothing to do with your pain, so you can ignore them. Only 5% of locked finger is caused by things other than contracted soft tissues, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and fascia, so you have a 95% chance of healing yourself when you use my method correctly. That's all you need to heal pain yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to write me. Bye for now and happy healing.